Hi guys! Samahan niyo ako today para harapin natin ang unos ng aking trabaho. Chareng! So at that time, papunta ko niyan sa Central Supply Core namin para kumuha ng isang item ata for the procedure. And then this happened yesterday. I was second on call kahapon, kaya lang natawag yung dalawang team kasi there's 2 rooms running. At this time, I was inputting or encoding implants in the computer, and the procedure I'm doing was impella insertion, and the other room was the heart transplant. Second case ko na nga to the first case was chest washout. Tapos ayan ako, I'm just making sure na yung lot number, serial number, expiration date ng implant, yada yada yada, it's correctly inputted in the computer or in the chart of the patient. And then kahapon, I think I came into work at mga 9 a.m. past 9 a.m. and then nakauwi ako ng mga 5 p.m. Siyempre naka-flip yung ID ko para hindi nyo makita ang aking PES. And I really love that pin. Of course, gay represent! At ayan na, tapos na ako mag-input niyan. And then after that, kailangan siyempre malinis ang ating workspace, walang kalat, mas maayos, mas maganda. Ayoko nang makalat. Ayoko nang madumi. Chareng. Dito sa facility na pinagwo-workan ko, bali 2 lang yung team lagi na naka-on call. Mas maigi kapag ka 1 room lang kasi syempre yung second call team, pwede silang pumasok para bigyan kami ng lunch break. Kaya lang at this time, 2 yung room na running, so hindi kami masyadong nakakain or ako pa inom-inom lang ng tubig, ganun. Syempre para sa ekonomiya, kaya laban lang. Kaya ayan, tinawag na ako dyan. Kaya ayun lang, bye-bye!